Alright then, Anmo, welcome to Skydive Switzerland. Good morning, how are you doing?
Good, thank you, how are you?
Not too bad. So, tell your friends back home what you're going to do.
Hello guys, I'm going to skydiving and it's going to be fun, I think.
Okay, are you nervous?
Oh no, not really.
A little bit?
No.
Okay, good.
I've done air kicks, indoor skydiving, so that's fine for me.
Okay, yeah, I told you it's almost the same, huh?
Yeah, it's almost the same.
So, let me see quick the equipment. You never know. Looking good. Yeah, we're ready to go.
Ready to go.
Anything else?
I just want to say, if you surrender to the wind, you can do it. You can fly.
Flying high, huh? Have fun.
It's my time, it's my life. I can do what I like for the price of a smile. I got a ticket to ride, so I keep living, 'cause it feels right, and it's so nice, and I do it all again this time. It's I like how it feels. 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 I like how it feels.
Alright then, Anmo, here we are, about halfway up. How are you doing?
Thank you, very good.
So you like the scenery out there?
It's lovely.
It is great.
Lovely. I love the beauty out here in Switzerland.
Perfect. So it looks like you're jumping out first. You're number one.
I'm the number one.
All good?
That's
Okay.
great. That's going to be good, yeah? I will love it.
I wish you great skydive and I see you out there in the
Thank you
sky.
so much.
Love, make us one. Let's make a beautiful world. Take my hand, it's alright, 'cause tonight we can fly. So we keep living, 'cause it feels right, and it's so nice.
Sound. We fell in love as the leaves turn brown, and we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue. You act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer,
Hey, great skydive. How was it?
It was lovely.
You had a good time?
Yeah.
Perfect. We do one more picture?
Sure.
Hey, thanks a lot for jumping at
Thank you
Skydive
so much.
Switzerland. Enjoy your day. Awesome.
In my dreams. I'm never far from home, that's for sure. And I know I'll never be alone in my dreams. I was trying for so long to change what feels wrong. I can stand the sound of noise, but don't have no choice.
the sky. People are happy, they love to sing, and there is no need for a king up in the sky. Nothing is insane, like a rocket-driven plane. You can fly above the rain, up in the sky. You just feel fine, there is no running out of time, and you never cross the line. I never want to die.